Huh?
Okay, see this now. Okay, just write down that answers. And one more question. Answer will be east. One more question. If a person wants to travel north, in which direction is traveling according to damaged compass? According to damaged compass. According to damaged compass. According to damaged compass. Is it clear? Second question, write down. That's the first question. Answers are also write down. Same, write down as it is. East becomes north. Person wants to travel west direction. 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 Looking at damaged campus. That word is very important. Looking at damaged campus is traveling. Looking at a damaged compass is traveling wrong direction. Is traveling wrong directions. Looking at damaged compass is traveling wrong directions. Wrong direction. In which direction? In which direction is he actually traveled? Is he actually traveled? See, if the question is first question, ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಂಪಸ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. He is traveled according to that damaged campus. He wants to travel west. Then he will see that damaged campus west will be this. He is traveling west. But actually in which direction he is actually traveling now? North, right? Arthat west actually is traveling. Wrong he is going. Wrong campus will be west. West actually is going. But actually answer will be he is going north direction. Actually he is going north direction. But by looking at damaged campus he is going west directions. I think it's clear now. Okay, so these are two types of questions. Let's solve it questions now. Here the question is, for this I will explain full detail you, but in exam no need to do it all these things. Just what is the error you should know. Here no need to touch pen and paper. For first question I will explain everything, but no need to touch nothing. We can do it directly. So how to do it I will explain. So this will be north original campus, no damage, it's a good condition campus. It will be east, it will be west. The question is east becomes north. So now 90-degree error. How much error? 90 degree error. You should know in this module what is the error is important. Error will be 90 degree. Error will be 90 degree clockwise. Adu important. That is more important. Clockwise 90 degrees error because north comes here. So 90 degree error is the error. Now the question, what will be the northwest? Actually northwest, actually this. This is the northwest actual compass. Now what is this? Now what is means? It moves it moves here. Yes or no? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯುವರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸೋಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್. ಈಗ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಬರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಕಂಪಸ್. ಇದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೌತ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. Now the question, what will be northwest becomes? Actually northwest is this. Actually northwest is this, but it becomes what? Southwest. Okay, it becomes what? Southwest. Adu question kelidara aste. Okay, so we'll solve one more, then you write it. See, you try this question first. You try this question first. Try. If southeast becomes north, okay, just I will write it. Southeast becomes north, which means 45 degree error. Correct? Not 45. So not 45. Southeast kelirodu. So that will be 135 is error. Yes or no? 135 clockwise. 135 clockwise. If you want, you can write it starting diagram. Afterwards, you can write it. Next, northeast becomes what? Northeast becomes west and so on. It is writing that condition. What will west becomes? That is the question. Okay, west. You have to go back. Now you have to go 135 back. West 135 anti-clockwise for final answer. Yeah, final answer 135 anti-clockwise you have to go for telling answer. Correct? See, I will write and show you. How to tell in exam? I will tell you. Say now. The question they are asking, this is a original campus. I will write it. Observe here. I will write it original campus first for understanding still. Then we can tell direct answer. Not even sorry. This original campus I am writing. This is the north. This is the east. This is the south. This is the west. Original campus. This will be northeast. This will be southeast. This will be southwest. This will be northwest. It is the original campus. Now I am going to write damaged campus. Southeast becomes north. So now this will be north. This will be north. North opposite will be south. North 90 degree will be east. East opposite will be west. Is it clear? Now between north and west it will be northwest. Between north and east it will be northeast. Between south and east it will be southeast. Between south and west this will be southwest. Now the question, see that question is saying that southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west. Northeast becomes means this is the northeast, it becomes west. That's they saying. Okay, and like that it will continue. What will be the west becomes another question. Actually west we know this. This is the west. This we know west. It becomes what now? Okay, west becomes what happened? Southeast happened. Okay, but instead of writing all these things, you should know only what is the error. Okay, only what is the error. Error will be, according to first equation, southeast become north, which means north actually here it moves how much degree, that you have to find out first. It moves 90 plus 35 45 135 degree clockwise it moving. Then your answer will be anti-clockwise 135 you have to tell. Okay, for west anti-clockwise 135 you have to travel. So west is this, anti-clockwise 90 is south, then 45 southeast. Your final answer will be southeast comes there, anti-clockwise southeast. Reverse answer. Okay, for shortcut reversal ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೆ, then you will understand. ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Is it over? Okay, just diagram. I will already uploaded questions. Just you can write it. Solution. Is it clear, online students? Once Sharanya and Preeti, let me know once.
Yes, sir.
Meghna, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir. Struck ಆಯಿತು. Just I will exit and I will come back. Online students will just wait. I think I can't that also. Good. Okay. So now I will repeat once again the concept. Is it online students? Are you able to see board? Let me know once.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Southeast
Yes,
southeast becomes north. Southeast becomes north. I think same question, no? Same question, no?
Yes,
Okay.
it's the last one, sir.
Yeah. Let's solve it one more. Okay, try this question now. I want answer from everyone. You try this question and tell me answer. Read carefully question. Slowly read and tell me answer. A direction pole was situated on the road crossing. Due to an accident, the pole turned. Means it's a damage. That's the story they are given. Pointer which was showing west started. Okay, fine. Pointer was showing west. Hello. Jabiji. Jabiji. 52 వచ్చిందా 52 అంటే 4 లక్షలు వచ్చింటాయి చూస్తాను రేపు okay, see this. Just you try. Answer is easy, very easy, but you try. What is the answer?
Sir, west.
Okay, let's
West.
tell you try to analysis also question. Okay, and reply all online students also once.
Sir, west.
Okay, two different answers. Just you try to analysis, tell answers and analysis. First showing yav direction.
West.
First showing west. Now it shows south.
South.
West show first starting it shows west. Now it's showing south. Okay, which means it is 90-degree clockwise. Anti-clockwise west. No, first showing west actually correct showing. Adu correct. Now it shows south. West place al south bandida. See, this is the question. First showing west correct ida. That is the original campus. Now actually it shows instead of west south. 90-degree clockwise moving. Now question is, Sita is traveling went to a wrong direction thinking it will be west. Okay, thinking it to be west. In direction, in what direction actually she was traveling? That is the question here. Now tell me, I will write diagram and I will explain then. So now it will be, actually this is west, this is east, this is actually south, this is north, this is the original campus, corrected campus. Now this becomes south. Idu south agide. Then this will become, if it is south, then this will become west, right?
West.
Okay, this become north, this become east. Now the question, it shows like this. Sita, a traveler, went to wrong direction thinking it to be west, which means she don't know whether campus is damaged or not. She don't know. She think it is a west. Then which direction actually she was traveling? Idu, which means she is west, she is going. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಶಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ನಾರ್ತ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾರ್ತ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್.
Yes.
What is the question finally? Yeah, final question see now. Yeah, that's it. Over now. One more write down. You try to solve. A direction post is erected. Write down question. I don't have that question. Here I have one simplification. This one question. A direction post is erected on a crossing. On a crossing. A directional post is erected on a crossing. In an accident. In an accident, it was turned in such a way that it was turned in such a way that it was turned in such a way that the arrow which was first showing east, which was first showing east, which was first showing east, first showing east, now showing north, now showing north, now showing north. A passerby went in a wrong direction. A passerby went in a wrong direction. Passerby went in a wrong direction, thinking it is east. Thinking it is east. Thinking it is east. Thinking it is east and he don't know whether campus is damaged or not. Nenpitkolli. Thinking it is east. By looking at damaged campus, he will go. Okay. Thinking it is east. In which direction? In which direction is he actually traveling? That is the question. In which direction? Yes. In which direction is he actually traveling? Answer will be south. Right. One more write down. Directly I will tell, I don't want to tell everything, all story. What is the error I will tell. Okay, only error I will tell, then you tell answer. Final question I will tell whether it is first question or second question. That statement you write down and you try to do it. Okay, the question is this, only error I will write it. A directional post is damaged on crossing in an accident. It was turned in such a way that the arrow which was first showing west, now it's showing northwest. It's showing northwest. First showing west, now it's showing northwest. A passerby went in a wrong direction, thinking it is a south. Thinking it is a south. Thinking it is a south. In which direction is he actually traveling? Is he actually traveling? That's the question here. In which direction is he actually traveling?
Southeast.
Let's see. Okay. Now clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
How much degree? 45?
45 degree.
Yeah, 45 degree anti-clockwise it's moving. Then final question will be south. When south is traveling, then which direction? Tell me. South.
Just southwest.
Yeah. Southwest is right. Just you have to go the same thing. Your answer will be southeast. Correct? South? I will check it 1 second. No, southeast I think. Let's solve it. Nimga answer southeast barliಲ್ಲ. Yeah, southeast is right. You got it, everyone? Southeast?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, southeast is right. See, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Okay, once again I will explain for you. So this will be north, original campus. It will be south, it will be east, it will be west. Now the question will be, actually starting it shows west correct agi, but now it's showing northwest. Actually it is northwest, but now it shows this direction will be northwest, which means from here to it moves like this, which means anti-clockwise 45 degree it moves. Then west becomes now damaged campus. I will write it. This is northwest, damaged campus. I will write. This will be northwest means this will be west. Okay, this will be west means this will be west southwest. Correct? This will be southwest means this will be south. Okay, this will be south means this will be southeast. This will be southeast means this will be east. This will be east means this will be northeast. This will be northwest means this will be north. But no need to write all these things. Remember it. For understanding, I am writing all. But what is the error? What is the final question? Only you have to see that. What is the error? What they are asking finally? That part you only you have to consider. So now the question is, actually it is a damaged campus. He don't know whether it is campus or damaged or not. He will go south direction. by looking that campus, damaged campus. Where is damaged campus south? Here I have damaged campus south. By looking, this is going this direction, but actually this direction is southeast. This direction is southeast. That will be your final answer. Actual direction they are asking. I think it's clear, this concept. So this is the campus damage questions. In last model, this already we covered. Next we will go for next type of questions, shadow based questions. Write on that. Shadow based questions. Shadow based questions. First concept I will explain, then you try to tell. Shadow based questions. Very important. Observe here. Say now. Two types of questions. Either morning, either evening. ಎರಡೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಾಡೋ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ಅದೊಂದು. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾನೆ, this will be east according to our concept. So two cases possible. Suppose sun ee kade iddaga, suppose person standing like this towards north, is he faces towards north, avun shadow yav kade ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, shadow opposite to sun ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಸನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, ಎನಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಸನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಶಾಡೋ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇವನು ನಾರ್ತ್ಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾರ್ತ್ಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಶಾಡೋ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಾ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಶಾಡೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ left side. Same, suppose even friend faces towards each other. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they are talking each other. But what is facing south direction, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇವನಿಗೂ ಶಾಡೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. I told you always shadow will be opposite to sun. Okay, opposite to sun. So always is the shadow also this side only. But for example, is A, is B. Now for B, in which direction is the shadow will be there? Right side. Okay, because he is facing south direction. Okay, he is facing south direction. South direction answer will be right. So remember, whenever if the question is left and right, if the shadow will be left or if the shadow will be right, answer will be north or south only, not east and west. Nenpitkolli again I will tell this case. Nenpitkolli, you can eliminate. If you don't know answer also, you can guess your answer. Either answer will be either north or south, not east and west. The question will be if shadow fell left side or right side, then answer will be only north or south. Okay, north or south. Now the questions I will explain later. This is the concept, first concept. Now second concept. He will do yoga early morning by looking at sun. Shadow ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? Behind. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ I told you already opposite to sun only. Okay, opposite to sun only. Then behind ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ shadow. Which means if we see east direction, if we face east direction, shadow will be back side. Morning case, I am talking about morning case. Nenpitkolli, I am talking about morning case. East means back side. Shadow will feel back side beelutte. Then suppose he is now like this. He looks like this. Okay, he is traveling like this. Shadow ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಸನ್ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟೇ. Okay, now but he is traveling in west direction, but shadow will be front. So whenever if the question is shadow will be back or front, answer will be east or west. Okay, answer will be east or west. Whenever if the question is left or right, shadow will be left or shadow will be right, answer will be north and south. If the question is shadow will be east or front or back, answer you have to tell only east or west. Either it is morning, either it is evening, eradu onde. Even evening also same thing, left or right, answer will be north or south. Front or back, answer will be east or west. Is it clear? So it is morning case. Just write down. Evening case also we'll discuss. It is a morning case. Is it clear, online students? Once reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already this case. Just here we will write it on table also for better understanding. Here I'll write it. Sun. Okay, that person. North and south. Morning shadow, evening shadow. Tell me morning shadow, if he faces north, it will be left side. Okay, so if he faces south, it will be right side shadow. Now I will talk about evening. So now I will talk evening shadow. This will be, just a minute, got a message. Now if it is a evening shadow, here shadow will be like this. Now again I will tell, if he faces north direction, shadow ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ? Yes, because I always tell shadow always opposite to sun only. Okay, this is the sun, means shadow will be like this. Okay, then if he faces north direction, evening time, shadow will be right side, is right side. Then if he faces south direction, evening time, shadow will be again here only, but for south person avunige ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ is left. Same diagram, write down one more, east and west. You write down answer for that also, east or west. So east and west. So it will be east, it will be west. Now tell me morning shadow, east idaga, if he faces east, morning shadow if he faces east, it will be back. Okay, it will be back. Morning shadow if you face west, it will be front. Evening shadow, see here I will explain in evening. Evening if he faces towards south, towards west, which means whatever sun is there, that shadow will be feel here only, ille bilutte.
Back.
Okay, which means if he faces west direction evening time, it will be back side. Okay, if he faces towards like this, shadow will fill here only, then it will be front. This will be answer. Write down. Is it clear? These cases, just write down. I think it's clear. Understood? The question is this, first question. At 3 p.m. ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಟ್ 3 p.m. ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಶಾಡೋ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ರೈಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫೇಸಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್. Yes or no? All on everyone tell.
Sir, not. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now very simple. Evening means this is the sun. I don't know whether the person answer will be either this, north or south. I don't know who is that person. I need to find out that. Now shadow for both the person will feel here only here. Shadow will be this side only. Now the question is right side. If he faces south direction, it is a left. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಸೌತ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಫ್ ಈ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಶಾಡೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೆನ್ ಈ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಈ ಫೇಸಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಫೇಸಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. Try to tell this answer. Very important. Here two persons, but don't confuse here. Just you try, then you will understand whether what is the wrong you will get to know. See, first ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಸನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್. One morning, Uday and Vishal are talking each other face to face at a crossing. At Vishal, shadow was exactly left of Uday. Left ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. What is the answer? Let's see. Try. Left of Uday. Which direction was Uday facing? That's the question. ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಉದಯ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Not.
Okay. Face to face, very important word. Okay. This is important word. Shadows always same side. Note, write down. In note, shadows will be always same side. Only word will be this, left of Uday. Okay, so now the question is, I will explain here. Instead of here, if I ask Vishal, both I will explain. Only concentrate whether it is morning or evening. How to solve in exam point of view. Afterwards I will explain diagram also. First in exam point of view I will explain. Only concentrate first word you have to observe whether it is morning or evening. That's the first word. Second word you have to observe, shadow will felt early. Shadow early built ಇದೆ. That only you have to assume. Shadow will be left of Uday. Then definitely Uday faces north. Is it clear? Uday faces north. Even shadow ಇವೊಂದೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಉದಯ್ಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಶಾಡೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. ಉದಯ್ಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಉದಯ್ಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no? The question they are asking, Uday facing which direction? Then left, north. But if the question is Vishal facing which direction? South. I will repeat now with the diagram. This is the sun, morning time. I don't know who is Uday here. Face to face means this is the meaning, morning. Okay, left or right means only two possible, north or south. Front or back means I can write it like this. Okay, so now it is a possible case. I don't know who is Vishal, who is Uday here in these diagrams. Now shadow will fill for both the persons. This is the shadow. But in the question clearly say, suppose if I think this will be the Uday, example, no, this will be Vishal, example I am taking. So if I take this will be Vishal, let's take it. If this is the Vishal, this is the Uday, but shadow is left of Uday. If I take this is the Uday, is it left hand to this person? No. Then definitely is not Uday. Then E will be the Vishal, E will be the Uday. Okay, so Uday, if I take this one, shadow will be the left of Uday. Yes, that condition is satisfied. Then if he faces north, then he will be face south. I think it's clear. But in exam point of view, no need to do all these things. You can directly, we can tell. Try this. You try to do this. Then I will explain. One evening before sunset, which means evening story, Deepa and Seema were talking each other face to face, very important. If Seema's shadow was exactly the right of Seema, so very important is where it fell. Both the Seema shadow, even Deepa shadow, both same side only. No worry about that. But right side of Seema. Okay, right side of Seema. Then which direction was Seema was facing? Again answer will be north. Artha aita? Is it clear, online students? Let me know once. All
Yes,
online
sir.
students. Suppose if the question is same question, if it is the Deepa, south. Okay, that you have to understand. No, right of Seema ne question ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Question ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Right of Seema ne ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Even see right, even Deepa shadow also right of Seema only. Understood? Deepa, because both shadows always same side. Always, either first case or second case, shadow will be always same side. Okay, not opposite side. Always same side. You try to do this. Here not face to face. Question al kottilla adu. Very important question. Is there given face to face kottidara? Hige ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಗ. One morning, Dhoni and Kohli were talking each other while talking on the ground. Dhoni's shadow was exactly the right of Kohli. Dhoni's shadow is exactly right of Kohli. Then which direction Dhoni is facing? North. Okay, let's do it the diagram method. ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾರ್ತಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಈ ಥರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ಐದರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಪಕ್ಕ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಥವಾ ನಾರ್ತ್ಗಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸೌತ್ಗಾದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್? ಈಗ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಶಾಡೋ ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲೇ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಶಾಡೋ ಬೀಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್?
North.
Is it north or south now? South.
North.
Not north. How it is north? If
Sir, which direction was Dhoni facing?
Dhoni or Kohli both are facing same directions. Here. If Dhoni's shadow was exactly the right of Kohli, even Kohli's shadow also same thing. If both are traveling same direction. If they are talking face to face, oppositely they are talking. They are not given face to face. Remember here, in this question they are not given face to face. Very important word, ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. That time ಅದು face to, whether they were talking face to face or they are talking normally while we are talking each other, just walking. Like this they are talking, this is maybe Dhoni, this is maybe Kohli, even this is maybe Dhoni, this is maybe Kohli, but shadow will be where? Right of Kohli. Right of Kohli means this the here also, okay, you can take it here also, Kohli, right of Kohli, this is a Kohli, for example. If I take this side, shadow will be always this side only, right? Artha aitalva? Then which direction? This will be the right side, means they have to face it south direction. Right side ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ morning? South direction only. If they are facing south direction only, right side it will be filled. Okay, then if they are talking like this, their shadow will be their left side, then this is not possible. Artha aita? I think it's clear. Both are walking south direction, not north direction.
Yes, sir, clear.
Assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. We are no facing each other ಅಂದಾಗ face to face ಅಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ you have to take it. Otherwise don't take that. Okay, that's an important question. That's why ಆ question ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ. That is one of the exam question. So SSC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನು. That's why I take that question, because most of them will think that opposite and ಆ word ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, I mean if each other face to face ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will assume that like this, because most ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಇಯರ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ 3 PM, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಶಾಡೋ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಈಸ್ಟ್. Yes. See, shadow is here, evening, I mean sun is here. So person, either she may be like this, either she may be like this. One person only, not two persons. Here one person only. Either she will be like this, either she will be like this. But shadow will be opposite to sun only. Here only always shadow. For this also this will be shadow. But shadow will be front side. So this will be front. Okay, this will be front. Means she is facing east direction. Okay, east direction. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Try this. Next module will go. One evening before sunset, Geeta and Sita were talking each other face to face at a crossing. Face to face, not really ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ face to face. So then we have to think opposite. Sita's shadow was left of Geeta. Okay, left means there only possible, left means only north or south. Left of Geeta, then directly Geeta will be the south. Correct? Geeta will be the south. The question they are asking, even Geeta, which direction was Geeta facing? Yes, answer will be directly south. Is it clear, online students?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's a very simple concept it is, shadow based questions. No need to write always diagram. Only you have to think whether it is evening or morning. That's the first case. Whose shadow, which means this statement. Sita's shadow was left of Geeta. Only take it Geeta left. Then Geeta faces which direction? Only think that. Because the direction of both shadow will be same side. Then Geeta's left means Geeta faces which direction? That's the question. Even Sita's shadow feels left of Geeta, even Geeta's shadow also ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Is it clear?
Sir, its answer would be south.
Yeah, south. Try this. Okay. One evening before sunset, Vijay and Kiran were talking each other while running in the playground. If Kiran's shadow was exactly on the back of Vijay, face to face anta kottilla illi. Okay, face to face anta kottilla illi. Just ದೇ ಆರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
West.
Okay, good. So one evening, Vijay and Kiran are talking each other, running a playground. Kiran's shot was exactly back of Vijay. Back of Vijay or that. So back of Vijay and both are traveling like this. That's the meaning that. Both are facing that only. Artha aitalva? I think you can solve it. Next module will go. Same questions I will give. I already uploaded PDF. You can try remaining questions. We'll go for next. Okay, here. Next type of question. See this. See this. Try this. Very simple. Wait, I will take it. Okay. Okay, if two symbols are given simultaneously, then we will consider both the directions. X is $, percentage, y means y is north, y is to the north, east of x. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್, ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮೇನ್ಸ್. Read question first. 9 shops, S1, S2, S3, S1. Just write down, otherwise you can't. Otherwise you can take photo also, otherwise write down. Otherwise you can't solve it. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so you take this. Just you try to write. You take it photo. 9 shops, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, 8, S9 were located at some distance from each other in shopping complex. S3 was 16 meter dollar to that of S2. Dollar ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಾ ರೈಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಾಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಾಲರ್ means that they are given. Here we have this one. Ash means north, at means south, percentage means east, dollar means west. Artha aita? So here you can take like this question. S3 was 16 meter east of that of S2. Correct? Write down question, otherwise you can't solve it. Here you have to write down and you have to write down diagram. Try, then I will explain. See, no need to write all these things. At least you can write like this. ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ್ಯಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನಾರ್ತ್. ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸೌತ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಸೇರ್ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಡಾಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, S3 was 16 meter, percentage ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ S2. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ S2. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು S2, S3 ವಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? S3 ವಾಸ್ 16 ಮೀಟರ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ S2. S2ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ S3 ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು? ಈಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, write diagram according to that. Try. I will write first equation. S2. Here I will write it S2. It is 16 meter. I need north or some space I required. Here I will write it S2. it will be S3. S3 is compared to S2, S3 is east. How much meter? 16 meter. Is it clear? Nodi, again, I will repeat. Then next statement. This is over. S1 was 6 meter, ash means north of S2. S2 ge north allirbeku S1. S1 will be this person. How much? 6 meter. How much? 6 meter. This is the first case. Is it clear? This case. Next statement. S8 was 12 meter. 12 meter, that of S1. ಎಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು S8 at ಅಂದರೆ south ಅಲ್ಲಿ. S8 was 12 meter at the dot of S1. How many meter? 12 meter. This is 6. This is again 6. Correct? Okay, that will be S8. Yes, S8. This will be S8. I think it's clear. ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು. I will write it final diagram once again. Next statement, ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, just you tell that of S1. S7 was 8 meter, dollar means west. So S7 is 8 meter, S8 ಗೆ west. ಯಾವುದು? S1 ಏನಾ? ಸರ್ ನೋ ಓದಿದ್ದು. S1 was S1, yeah, no, just wait. This is over. S7 was 8 meter, dollar to S8. How many meter? 8 meter. 7, 8. No, S7 is there, but 8 meter is. Okay, 8 meter. S7 is 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter. Is it clear? Next statement. S4 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. Just read and tell what they are saying. Data. Okay. This is over till this. While S4 was 24 meter percentage. Percentage means east. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? S7 ಗೆ. S7 means year. 24 meter means year 8, year 16. Yes or no? Year 16. That person will be. Who is that person? That person will be S4. Now remaining bariri fill ಮಾಡಿ. Till this over. S7 over, that of this one. And means ಇಲ್ಲಿ and ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? And. Who is and here? And means ಯಾರು? And S3 was this. Okay, anyway, that's condition is there. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. S6 was 12 meter, ash ಅಂದರೆ north. 12 meter north, that of S7. S7 ಗೆ 12 meter north. S7 ಗೆ 12 meter means this is 6, this will be this person. Who is this person? S7, S6. S6. Okay, that will be 6. Just I will write it 6 numbers. 6. This will be 12 meter to S7. Okay, S7. Now ಅದು ಆಯಿತು. S9 was situated just in the middle of S2. Middle of S2 and S3. Middle of S2 and S3. S2 and S3 means this will be the S9. Okay, that will be 8. Middle ಅಂದಾಗ this will be 8. This will be 8. That will be 3. S3. Sorry, S9. S9. While S5 was just middle of S8 and S4. S8 and S4. S8 and S4. This is also this. This will be S5. This is the diagram. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? You understood diagram? How to write it? Please reply all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just write down. According to this diagram, we will solve questions. Just write down. According to this diagram, we will solve questions. Even I will take this diagram. ಓವರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ? Overwriting diagram, please let me know once. Is it overwriting diagram, online students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You're not right? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು? Over ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Now let's solve it questions. So we already covered directions, compass based questions, shadow based questions, and this is the third type. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅದು ನೋಟೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಶ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವೆರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಥರ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವೆಯ್ಟ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಬೌಟ್ S2 ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. S2 ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ನಾರ್ತ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಡಾಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ 4 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾರ್ತ್, ದೆನ್ @ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ percentage
means
east, next
dollar means
west. Okay, fine. So this is a case. Now about S2 means is S2. What they are saying, S9 dollar S2, S9 dollar means west. Is it, just check it, S9 is compared to S2, is it west? S9 is west of S2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. Is it clear everyone? So according to this first statement, S9 is west of S2. S9 is west of S2. Is it west? No, eliminated.
No,
directly.
sir.
Eliminated directly. Now S2 is @ means south. S2 is @ of S7, means S2 is south of S7. S2 is south of S7. No, right? Southwest, @ southwest. ಒಂದೇ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, @ and dollar. @ means south, dollar means west, southwest, which means S2 is southwest of S7 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. S7 where you have, here I have S7. S7ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ S2 will be which direction? That is the question here. Is it right?
No, sir.
No, it is wrong. Next statement. Here we have one more option actually. Option ilva illi. Okay, tell me. Next, S2 at means here south, percentage means here east. Yes, it is right. No, ಯಾವುದು S2 and S4. S2 S4 check ಮಾಡಿ. Compared to S4, S2 is @ percentage. What is the read? Just check and tell.
Sir, wrong. Sir,
Option, one more option you need to check it then. Just check it and tell answer.
recording to our solution. It doesn't match.
So now S2 is west of S7. ಇದು ಈ question how to read it means, for example I will take it, S2 is west of, one more option it may be, let's see, west of S7. This is a statement we have to read. Here also how to read it, S2 is not west and, I mean not west, wait, southeast. The example I am writing, S2 is southeast. We have to read like that. Even S2 is here. I think no condition satisfied alva. Then answer will be none of these irbeku agadre ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So let's check it. One more we'll check it. Then we'll check it one more, then you'll understand. Try this. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಫುಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. $S2 $S6 3 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು. S9 ಇದು, S2 ಇದು, ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ S9ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು S2. ಓಕೆ, ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು. S9 ಈಸ್ ಡಾಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಾಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೋ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಓದಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓದಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಓದಿ. ಫುಲ್ 3 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೋಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೋಗಿ 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸಿ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೋಗಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಓಕೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್. Reverse order.
Sir, we have to solve in reverse
order like this. S6, S2, S9. Yes.
Okay.
Solve this. Try. Now try one by one.
Sir, first option is.
Okay, again check one more, second option also you can try. Reverse order. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗಲೇ. ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಓದಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ನೌ ಐ ಸಾ PDF, ದೆನ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಇದನ್ನು ಓದಿ. X, if the 2 symbols are there, how to read? Y is to the northeast of X ಅಂತ ಓದಬೇಕು. Understood, right? So just I saw a PDF, now I get to know how to read that. Is it clear? Our condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, we have to read like that anta. We have to read like this. Y%, this means X is to the northeast of Y. We have to read like this. Reverse order we have to read it. Actually based on concept we have to go normal, but here condition is there. So we didn't observe that. That's why we have to take reverse. Is it clear online students? Once we have to read reverse because in the condition they are given that. That's that we are not observed. Just I observed PDF now. For option I think it's wrong, but PDF it's the right options. Then yeah, 2 and 3 na. Okay, so option 2 and 3, which means both A and B na. B and C. No, A is right. A is right. Check ಮಾಡಿ. A is right.
Sir, B is wrong.
Okay, B is wrong ಅಂತ check ಮಾಡಿ. B is wrong means no option here. A is right, I think. Let's check it. Everything check ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, only A is correct.
Only
That
A is right.
C.
Okay. You have to read it. See, I will repeat once again. S6 is, what is the ash? Ash is northwest, northwest. Correct? S6 is northwest of S2. You have to read S6 is
Yes.
northwest.
Sir, both A and C.
Okay.
A
and C we don't have here. That's why. Northwest of S2. Nodi, either whether right or wrong. S6 is northwest of S2. Yes or no? S6 is northwest of S2. S2 illide. S6 illide. Here. It is northwest. Correct ida. Okay. This is right. Now you have to read this also. S2 and S9. S2 is dollar means west. S2 is west of S9. S2 is west of S9. Yes, S2 is west of S9. Definitely this option is right. Okay, definitely this option is right. Then second condition, let's check it. S7 is at means what? South. Dollar means west, southwest. Okay, S7 was southwest of S2. S2 is here. S2 is here. South. S7 is here. Southwest. Southwest. Yes or no? Correct,
Yes, sir.
Ajalva?
P is correct.
Yeah, it is right only, right? Southwest. So it is also right. Then if I check this one, S4 is at means south, percentage means east, southeast. S4 is southeast of S2. S2 here, S4 I have here. Yes, this is also southeast, which means all A, B, C are true. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you solve this question and tell me answer for this question. Solve this question and tell me. If another shop S10 is located at the at of S1 means and ash of S2, then which direction? Okay, try. Which means it's a middle note koli onsari. What is the meaning that? A statement was at means what? At means what? At of S1 means S10 is at of S1. Yes, at means what? ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? What is the meaning here symbol? At is south, which means S10 is south of S1. Between S1 and S2. Yeah. Then read that. Just you solve that equation and tell me that conditions then. You have to solve, write in one more diagram.
All true, sir.
Let's see. Then exam one of you tell.